I was looking at what the guys did to the bar. They uncovered a radiator, but most interestingly, I forgot to put this in the video for today, they uncovered this window, and look at that. It's a newspaper. $1965. Oh. No, just some old tape. Interesting. Business and Finance, Chicago Daily News, Monday, July 12th, 1965, page 14. Peaceful oil firms prosper. Most execs are still bullish. Business piece will require booster shots. Everything's buying twos. Talking. Interesting. Haas and Ponderous political run. That's kind of funny. So, what, from Bonanza? Yeah, I think so, from Bonanza. TV listings. Huh. They have green thumbs. Bundled up in low prices. I guess it'd be fashion. Interesting. Phil's May, Miss Thomas Bat. Not sure what that means. It's a lot of sports stuff. New York stocks, 1965, and weeks range. Maloney, Papa Likely Foes. I'm not from the 1960s, so I'm not in the 1960s, so it's very hard to understand all this stuff. I bet it would make more sense if you were living in the 1960s, because those things would be in the public news knowledge or public memory. Jackson Cubs blank cards. Aaron's Homer beats Reds. Unfair.